DAVNAR Tech Advanced Shooting Simulators offers a comprehensive training solution for the defense forces and public and private security forces worldwide. Since it only uses dry fire, there is no ammunition cost and there is no risk of accidents. With the possibility of an unlimited number of shots, the use of multiple targets with different transitions, you will have the most effective training and experience guaranteed.
Help me! You want to kill me!
DAVNAR Tech does not require a specific training room. It can be easily installed in a simple space, transforming it into a training room.
Over there, officer! Over there!
DAVNAR Tech has cutting-edge technology to adapt and fill extensive training and improvement needs. Constant investment in applied technology enables continuous advances in available resources, such as tactical flashlights, stress vests, kill house, leading to more realistic simulations, combined with different levels of complexity and immersion, from curved screens to 3 and 5 nested screen systems. The system allows to record and analyze the movements of the weapon before and after the shot, essential information for the improvement of the shooter. The weapons used are replicas of handguns, long guns with blowback, and real guns adapted with precision barrels. Our scalable simulator can be configured for 1, 2, 4, and 6 shooters with multiple and simultaneous laser devices. Available in English, Spanish, and Portuguese.